Hi guys, it's Nunu, and we are in English 127, Creative Writing. This is my week 4 greeting from Nunu. All right, I'm going to scroll down the screen. I have a handy link here to modules. If you did not participate in our discussion of Act 1 of Arthur Miller's 1949 play, Death of a Salesman, please make sure you do so, and please be aware that I'm very active in the discussions. I read everything you write, and I ask you questions, so answer my questions, please. All right, what's coming up? We have week 4 in modules, February 25th through March 3rd. We have Act 2 of Arthur Miller's 1949 play, Death of a Salesman. I can get into modules by clicking on this link here, or I can go up the screen and I can click here on this link. Now, modules is our Bible. Everything is in modules, every single assignment that we'll do. I'm going to go ahead and click on this link right here to get into modules. And here it is. It's week 4 comes up. And it's discussion 3, Arthur Miller's 1949 two-act play, Death of a Salesman, in which we'll discuss Act 2 and the Requiem. All right, I'm going to click on the back arrow to get back into home. And I'm going to remind you once again, if you didn't participate in week 3, please do so and respond to 2 of your peers' postings and also to any questions I ask you. All right, if you have any concerns, if you need to talk to me, I'm here in inbox. You're never bugging me. You can email me as many times as you need to. I like hearing from you. All right,